Hey there, it's Brysen from Bold. In this video, I'm going to go over how to create a cross-sell offer in Bold Upsell. Cross-sell offers are most commonly used to offer one or more products when a trigger product is added either into the cart or when a customer proceeds from the cart into the checkout page. A perfect example of a cross-sell would be offering a memory card to a customer if they purchase a camera on your store. With that being said, let's go through the steps of creating a cross-sell offer in Bold Upsell. Starting from the homepage of Bold Upsell, click Manual Offers, then click Create New Offer. Under Basic Information, enter in a name for your cross-sell. This name is for internal use to help you identify this offer between other offers in Bold Upsell. Next, under Upsell Offer Flow, click Set a Trigger. This section decides where the offer pop-up for the cross-sell will take place. All the event trigger locations allow you to offer a cross-sell type offer. In my example, I'm going to choose Cart Page Pop-up. Under Trigger Products, select either Trigger an Upsell on specific products or Trigger an Upsell on every product. In my example, I'm going to choose specific products. Next, click Select Products to be brought to the product selector. The product selector is where you choose which products act as trigger products. You can search for a product using the product title search bar, apply filters to narrow down your search results, or simply browse through the list of products or collections available on your store. Once you have selected the trigger products on your store, click Review Selection, then Save Selection. If you selected Cart Page Pop-up as your trigger type, you can adjust the quantity under Trigger Quantity. This is the minimum number of selected products the customer must have in their cart in order for the offer to display. Next, under the Upsell Offer section, click Set an Offer and enter a title and description for the cross-sell offer. After entering a title and description, click Select Products. Similar to the trigger products, you can select the products you want to appear in the Upsell pop-up window. In my example, I'm going to choose a smart grinder for my cross-sell offer. There are a couple of additional features that can be enabled for the cross-sell offer, such as allowing customers to choose more than one product in the offer, as well as restricting the quantities that customers can select from the offer window. Under Conditions, you can set a start and end date that the cross-sell offer will be available from and when it will end. If you set a start date for the feature, the offer will automatically turn on at the date and time specified in your store's local time zone, as well as stop on the date and time that you specify. You can also set a cart restriction under cart value to control when the cross-sell offer is shown to your customers. For example, if you wanted to only show the cross-sell offer if the customer has $100 in the cart, you would set a minimum cart value for $100 and a higher value for the max field, such as $1,000. The last section offers additional options that you can enable for the cross-sell offer. The options available allow you to make the product image and product titles of the offer products linked to the product page, prevent out-of-stock products from appearing in the cross-sell window, and the last setting, titled Automatically Remove Items from the Cart if Conditions Are Unmet, is only applicable if you have the Bold Discounts integration. For more information about the integration, please visit our Help Center. Click Save Offer at the bottom of the page. To test the cross-sell offer, click the magnifying glass under Trigger for the cross-sell offer you created and select one of the product titles that is highlighted in blue. This will bring you directly to the product page of the trigger product you selected. Select the Add to Cart button on the product page, proceed into the cart page, and click the Checkout button. Instead of directing into the checkout page, a pop-up window appears with the offer product as selected earlier. Accepting this offer brings the users directly into the cart page with the initial product and the offered products that they selected. And that's all there is to it. For more information on cross-sell offers, please visit our Help Center at supports.boldcommerce.com. Thanks for watching.